Today we're doing Love is a Beautiful Thing by Vulfpeck. This song is in the key of D, which means that it uses mostly the notes and the chords that you see here. If the key of D is unfamiliar to you, I suggest you pause this video and go over these notes and chords before we dive into the song. What I find most interesting about this song, though, are the parts that deviate from the D major scale. In some ways, this song is a crash course in a lot of the most common ways that we can stretch a key beyond just the normal 7 notes. So let's get right into it. So let's pick apart this intro. In my right hand, I've got this simple little melody. In my left hand, I'm going through these chords. D major, D augmented, G major, G minor. And in between each one of those chords, my left hand is going down an octave to grab that bass note. But you don't have to do it that way. You could do this too. I just like adding that bass note. So that's going to bring us into the verse. Our verse starts with one of the most common progressions you can have in a major key. 1, 6, 4, 5. And some of the time, I'm inverting those chords. The second time around, we've got 1, 6, 4, and then when we get to the 5 chord, we've got this little walk up. 5, sharp 5 diminished, 6. So that's going to be the 5 chord, A, C sharp, E. The sharp 5 diminished chord as a passing chord between the 5 and the 6, A sharp, C sharp, and E, to the 6 chord. So here's the verse chord progression all together. 1, 6, 4, 5. 1, 6, 4, 5, sharp 5 diminished, 6. And that's going to bring us right into the next part. This next chord progression is just beautiful. So, that first chord, B minor, the 6th chord, E major, the major 2 chord, usually the 2 chord would be minor, right now it's major, going up to the 4 chord. Then we got that walk up again, 5, sharp 5 diminished, 6, back to the major 2 chord, 4 chord, then we've got the 4 chord over the 5th. So that's G major in our right hand, and a big old A in our left hand. Amazing. And that's going to be that. So remember to practice the chords, practice the scale, play along to the song. It's one of the most important things you could possibly do to really develop your sense of timing and feel. And remember to have fun. See you next time.